that's all. Guess what I'm doing today?
Vlogging.
I'm fulfilling your request.
Yes, finally.
You request
Just
that?
I can't actually see with the sun.
Well,
yeah.
Bella was asking for another day of my life.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay.
That's only one of your video subjects. And then after break we have Tumosa, and then homeroom, and then break, and then RE and.
So we thought that we had Mosa, but apparently we don't. So now we have to go find our class.
Something else. That I'm actually really good at. Yeah, I always go off topic with every conversation that I have.
That's so true.
I know, right?
That's just literally.
That's pretty cool, actually.
1, 2, 3, mukbang!
Guys who come in, move in if you want to be in.
Maddie,
Come Sandy,
I need a
busy eating.
Hey.
Mukbang! Daniel!
Blur that out.
Yeah, I will. I can't have blasphemy on my channel.
You get demonetized with things.
Yes, I'm not even monetized.
What does that mean?
It means you get paid money. If you monetize your video, then you get paid. And if you demonetize, then you don't get money for that video.
It makes me wonder why PewDiePie has so many videos. So much.
There's only 3 people on my mukbang right now.
It's a Nazi.
Why is it kind of squishy?
What?
Hi guys!
I thought we saw
I thought-
you here.
I was well done. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm very proud of
You
you.
came like top. What now she has?
Chunky.
Ew.
Mukbang!
You feel so weird.
Shut your back, man. I'm so sorry. Let's pick it up. Video.
The sound is gonna be so bad because we're all over there. I don't even have a microphone.
Subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna say you guys better like it so you can make Brennan famous.
Yes, listen to them. Subscribe. This is going on YouTube.
What lesson?
We have maths now.
Hi.
Mega compliment. Gareth, switch you up. If you're off, Mark. Okay? Daniel, you're off again.
I just want to let you guys know, if you hear my maths teacher's voice in the vlog, it's fine. I got her permission for her to be in the vlog. See, that's her comment right there. So ma'am, if you're watching this, you get a feature.
Listen up. Okay. So you have to do
That actually makes sense, man. Okay, so just for some context, in English we were doing unprepared orals, and it was my turn, and my friend thought it would be funny to film my oral. So my topic is, who has been the most influential person in your life and why? The most influential person in my life has been my best friend Amy. I love you, Amy. She is a really amazing person. So Nana, I know we just watched all my previous videos, but today I've actually been filming another video at school and what I've been doing at school. So have you got anything to say to the vlog?
Yeah, I want to subscribe. Yes, you let me help you.
Yeah, okay.
You have to show me how to subscribe.
So have you got anything to say to the vlog?
What?